Martin here with Geared Up North, doing a product review on the new product that Wildline Ropes is coming out with. You can see here, it's the Geared Up Lineman's Belt. It's the same rope that you get with the Featherlight Lineman's Belt. The difference is going to be it's going to come with 2 knots for the WLR hitches on both sides, along with the carabiners and everything silenced, so it's ready to go right away. There's nothing that you need to do as an end user that you need to silence for anything. So like with this, you can hear the difference between that. So it's going to come pre-sheet shrunk like this, so you don't have to do anything. It's going to be out of the box ready, that you can literally just use it as your lineman's belt. Some of the other things that I like about it is that you have the ability then with 2 carabiners that you can then remove your lineman's belt at any point if you need to, instead of having to deal with having a girth hitched. The big reason I like that is I don't wear any pouches once I'm up on the stand to hunt with. The other thing that's nice with that is then you have the ability to pull slack from either side of your lineman's belt, or give out slack on either side as well, depending on what type of tree you're in. So we've got this beautiful maple tree in the front yard here. So the thing that's nice with this is you can adjust where you need it to for your slack on the lineman's belt. So as you can see, before I make that climb up, I can then adjust where everything lines up. And as I'm making that climb, I've got a ton of slack here. I can then, like I said before, I can adjust the slack from either the right or the left side. So that if you have a preference, if you're right-handed or left-handed, you can adjust from either side. But if it doesn't make any difference, you can then let out slack from then the same concept of letting it out from either side. Another product that we're not going to talk about quite yet, but this is the rappel setup from Wildline Ropes. The biggest thing I would say safety-wise is you can see I'm on my stick, and I'm going to set my tether or rappel rope before I make that transition from the stick to the platform or to the stand. And now that I've made that transition fully to the platform, that's when I'll then adjust my height. Set that, and then this will then become my backpack strap. I do run, sometimes I will run another gear strap, depending if I have a bow or a gun. But then from here, depending on where I need this pack to sit, I'll just set this off to my weak side, so to my left side for the weak side shot. And then from here, now I'm ready to hunt. And then vice versa. So now with Justin's rappel setup, that lineman's belt then becomes another piece of gear that I use to build a Munster hitch to use as the rappel setup. We'll go over that in a different video. But for now, focusing on the geared up lineman's belt, the big thing is just more functionality and efficiency without really taking up that much more space in your pack. Martin here with Geared Up North.